Hi, I'm out here with that Vivitar Phoenix. I just want to take it up for a couple minutes because it went into the 50s today. So I figured I'd come over here and just fly it around for me. It's kind of windy for this thing. So, who knows? I'm just going to fly it for a couple minutes. I just want to see how it acts. I did the Compass Calibration on it. It's the same as like the Bugs 3 Pro or the Bugs 5, you know. Spin it a couple times and turn it up and spin it a couple more times. And it's one of them ones where you have to do it every time you turn it on too. So it says I got 10 satellites. Oh, let me turn the GPS on. GPS is on. Now there's a light on there that's flashing, or it's like a picture of a camera. It shows you it's recording. And it says it's got 10 GPS. So let's just take off and see how it acts. We'll do it here with the GPS on. This is that one I got from Walmart. Boy, it's got a nice pitch to it, that's for sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, that thing seems to fly real nice. The early going looks good. Let me see if it has... Okay, the meters here for the height. Let me go up a little bit. Okay, so it shows there. Okay, so it's up at 16 now. I'm going to go up here and we're going to just sit still here for a second to see if the video will look decent. There's how high the camera will point up. Basically straight up and down. Doesn't go all the way down, I don't believe. Yep, you got to turn the props down a little hair to get the props out of the way. Well, when I got up there to 40 something meters, it started losing the bind on there, so you know that ain't good. So I doubt the range on this thing's going to be much more than 300 feet once I get turned around in this park here eventually. Right now the sun's the other way, and if I go down to my normal spot, you wouldn't be able to see anything. You know, during the winter, this sun, it just has so much glare to it. Let's get a look at that camera though real quick. So if I turn it up, yeah, so that sucker's basically turning straight up. Let me get out of the way there. It's got an optical flow starting to act up a little bit because it has a couple of them on there. So let me turn it down. So it does point straight down. I didn't think it did. I thought it would only go down so far, but no. There's doggy over there. So this one here looks like it will be better than that phony, that fake and offy. Let me check the battery because I've been up here for a few minutes. I'm not really seeing, oh, I see it there. Oh, the battery's still real good. Okay, so now let's try the let me try to turn off the GPS and see how much it drifts around. But here, with the GPS on, it holds pretty damn good. Okay, so it's holding pretty steady. I mean, it's a toy quadcopter, right? So it's not gonna, it's not gonna be like the Mavic Mini or any of that kind of shit. So. But so far it's holding good. Okay, so let's turn off the GPS now. See if you see a difference. Oh, and there she goes. Actually, it's not going too far, to be honest with you. But it is moving around some more. Not much. Not much at all. Yeah. Okay, I'm putting the GPS back on. There's no toilet bowling or anything like that, so it does have that nice pitch to it. I wonder if there's a speed switch on here. I'll tell you what, this thing ain't too bad, man. Now, I got this on I think it was Black Friday. I paid $150 for it. I think it's about $249 normally, like right now. It would be something like $249, but it has the follow me and all that. I'll do that on the next flight. I'll try the orbits and the follow me, but it's a little bit windy now. And besides, I want to test out to see if I can get the 300 feet out of it. I should be able to get 300 feet out of this thing. I mean, seriously. Yeah, guys, it really steers nice, The steering is really crisp. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Really nice. Got the little bank turns on there like the Anafi does. Yeah, for a little toy quadcopter, this thing's pretty nice. It's got the brushless motors on it too. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm real happy with this thing. That was a little bit of a wind gust. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video. Okay, it saved it. Yay! Yay! Okay, I guess, okay, now the battery warning goes off at 50%. So I'm not too hip on that. But I'm sure there's something in the settings. I didn't even mess with the settings at all, to be honest with you. Okay, please shut up. I shut the transmitter off just so that thing would shut the hell up. Hey, I'm impressed with this thing. Okay, it's way better than I expected. I was expecting some not so good stuff here, but it actually surprised me. So, yeah, I can live with that so far. We'll get a little, I don't know if I would call it range test, but we'll get a little test going. See how that works out. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.